Parmigiani Fleurier is renowned for incorporating the golden ratio into its design, resulting in some of the most visually harmonious and balanced watches in the market. Staying true to this commitment, they have applied this design principle to their flagship Tonda GT Chronograph, elevating the sports watch to a piece of haute horlogerie. Do you have any questions, thoughts, or feedback, or would you like to share your experience? Don't hold back. Drop them in the comments below or pop in by one of our boutiques in Switzerland whenever you like to discover this model firsthand. We're here to assist you. We understand that luxury stores can be intimidating, but at Les Ambassadeurs, everyone is welcome, regardless of if you are an established watch collector, window shopper, or are new to the world of timepieces. We're more than happy to show you everything about this model in detail. Visit us in Geneva, located near the beautiful Lake Geneva, where Ignaz and his passionate team will warmly welcome you. In Zurich, you'll find us at Bahnhofstrasse on the main shopping street, overseen by Mohammed and his team. Explore our boutique in Luzern, near the iconic Chapel Bridge, where Max and his team will be delighted to showcase our latest collections and timeless favorites, including our exquisite fine timepiece selection. In the meantime, we invite you to visit our web shop, where you can explore a wide selection of the latest timepieces. But for now, let's honor this remarkable timepiece by exploring its every detail. Introduced in 2020, the Tonda GT collection by the Fleurier Maison offered collectors a contemporary take on the classic round watch, seamlessly blending sportiness with elegance. The result are versatile watches designed to suit both casual and formal occasions, catering to individuals with an active lifestyle, but also has a sophisticated aesthetic. While it remains committed to producing functional and aesthetically pleasing watches, Parmigiani Fleurier also aspires to elevate its sports watches to the high horology domain. And this journey begins with the latest Tonda GT Chronograph. From the moment you set your eyes on this watch, you'll immediately recognize its perfect proportions, particularly evident in its meticulously crafted dial. You have quantum gray subdials complementing the silver tone dial, arranged in the classic layout at 3, 6, and 9 o'clock, and topped off by a big date window at 12 o'clock. Adding allure to the Tonda GT Chronograph are its baton indices, adorned with hand-applied rhodium-plated applique with black luminescent coating and the skeletonized delta-shaped hands. What truly gives this watch gravitas, however, is its impeccable craftsmanship. Case in point, the clou triangulaire guilloché pattern adorning the main dial. This exquisite detail not only enhances its elegance, but also provides visual depth that complements its overall aesthetic harmony. There's no denying that this is a Parmigiani Fleurier watch. It has all the Maison's DNA imprinted all over it. Its 42mm polished and satin-finished stainless steel case showcases the knurled bezel and the teardrop lugs that have become synonymous with the brand. Topped with an anti-reflective sapphire glass, both on the front and the case back, this watch boasts a water resistance of up to 100 meters. Measuring 13.7mm thick, this is a substantial watch, yet surprisingly comfortable on average wrist sizes and slips under shirt cuffs with ease. Powering the Tonda GT Chronograph is Parmigiani Fleurier's own PF043 caliber, operating at 4 Hz and offering a power reserve of up to 45 hours. This sophisticated movement simplifies date adjustments by automatically managing transitions between 30 and 31-day months, eliminating the need for frequent manual adjustments. The only time it needs to be manually adjusted will be for the transition from February to March. Visible through the case back is a skeletonized oscillating weight crafted from 22-karat rose gold with sandblasted and satin finishing, adding a touch of refinement to the watch's inner workings. The Tonda GT Chronograph embodies a sporty yet chic aesthetic, featuring a gray vulcanized rubber strap that complements the chronograph subdials. This cohesive look extends to its closure mechanism, featuring a folding clasp made of stainless steel, mirroring the material used in its case. The Tonda GT Chronograph emerges as a go-to watch you can wear on a weekend out or to a boardroom. Imbued with the principles of the golden ratio and the Maison's signature design, it boasts a balanced and aesthetically pleasing design that exudes discreet luxury. Available now, the stainless steel Tonda GT Chronograph is priced at 27,900 Swiss francs. Has this model caught your attention and captured your heart? If that's the case, uncover this gem at one of our boutiques or contact us via our website. What are your thoughts about Parmigiani's elevated take on the Tonda GT Chronograph? Are you a big fan of balanced, perfectly proportioned watches, or do you prefer more adventurous, asymmetric designs? Your feedback matters to us. Share your thoughts, experiences, and questions in the comment section below, or why not just drop by for a coffee at one of our boutiques, where you can ask our watch experts anything you've always wanted to know about this model or the marvelous world of timepieces. In the meantime, subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to never miss out on the latest news, releases, and hands-on reviews ever again. Thank you for tuning in, and see you next time.